Hey, Top Hat Cats, what's up? Fancy Cat Gaming here. We are back in Catch Cats, and where's the balloon ripped? Fix it. And why do I have a bunch of money? What's this? Cinnamon, winter, tiger, cinnamon. Okay, what? And there's a kitty. Wait, 3? Oh. Let's take some photos. Where's... Take more photos! You're not photoing hard enough. Whoa, I have a bunch of money. And, let's shop. Home. Coming soon. How's it going? Good. You could buy freaking donuts. Yes. Oh my god, there's a cardboard box. Yes. This is my purpose. Replace that cardboard box. It will get it. It will. And since this is kind of all I can do for that thingy, I'm gonna play Sky Whale. It's a new game. I don't know what it's about. So I thought, let's just give it a try. Game Shakers? Whoa. Now can you get me to the game? Whoa. Best sequence. No. Tap. Every time you jump, you use a donut. So don't run out. Oh my god. No! Don't kill me. What's this? Oh, look, it's a monkey. Yeah, let's get the monkey. It's weird. Tap. Get the donut. What does the monkey even do? I got it. Whoa, what was that? Whoa. No, don't! No, I had a thingy. That was a piece of corn. Corn! Save me! You evil piece of... Oh, thank you, Mr. Corn. I was attacked by a bumblebee ninja. That's something I don't do every game. I've run out of donuts! What is this game? What is this game? Oh! No! Do not send me back to the world of mortal cheese. Why did I even say that? Get the thingy. Aw, I didn't get the thingy. Ha! Oh my god. There's stuff. I want this. This. Okay, that's wearable. What is this game? Tap. I got some money. Oh my. What was that? Ah, you threw me. into a thingy, which I have yet to decipher. Does my dreams mean anything? Or is this so weird? I guess I'm falling back into space. Or the ocean. Or what? Oh, I fell. Okay, let's do this. Burger. Bugger. There's some that are 700. What? This game is playable. A lot. Oh my god, Sky Whale. So, anyway, Top Hat. What was that? Anyway, Top Hat Cats. That is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please like or subscribe to join Team Top Hat Cats today. Fancy Cat Gaming